guys, November 14th, 2025. I got a call from a guy.
Turn right on the road.
I worked for his mother-in-law before a few times, quite a few times. He's got a well, and he says in the middle of the night, when the well runs, the pipe starts shaking at the well. He says the pipes shake when the well pump runs in the middle of the night, like at 12 o'clock. Which seems a little odd to me. Unless it's a toilet or something that's, you know, leaking by, or I'm gonna go by there and run the outside faucet and see if I can get the thing to make the noise he's talking about. Might be a check valve coming in on a well pump. That might be bad. Could be a pressure switch, I'm thinking, if it's a pump inside on top of the tank. I'm not sure what kind of setup he's got there, but it's kind of an odd that the whole well pump's shaking, from what he said. Something doesn't sound right. Unless there's a check valve somewhere, a foot valve on the bottom of the well that's let loose and it's, you know, doing the funky chicken down there. That would definitely make it shake. No, it's kind of got me curious here. Is this check valve this bad? That's probably the problem. I gotta run the water off. I wonder if I could run it. I could probably run it from a hose right there, right outside. A window right there. I could run a hose right outside. I bet you it's that. The check valve, I might have one in the truck, 1 inch. Check valve, I got one here. It's got a little spring operated. I got one I had in the truck. Let's see if that's it. I got the hose going out the house, outside. So when a pump kicks on, it's not making the noise. It's pumping. It's got to be something in the house making the noise. It's got to be a toilet somewhere. It's pumping up, and it's not. Unless this thing's not shutting off. It could be it too. No, she shut off. It's not this. Could be a toilet somewhere. Should kick in. Well, it kicked in at 20, at 50 there. This ain't making the noise. Well, something in the house that's doing it. It might be a toilet. $12 o'clock at night, that's the only thing that would be leaking, would be a toilet. Right? Nothing to do here. It's gonna be in the house. I gotta call this guy. It could be this thing right here too when it does the back flush. Because this thing's set on a timer to do a back flush, this water softener. I think I'm gonna unplug it for now. It'll still work, but it won't go through the back flush. It's on service. We can put it on bypass. I guess he says they use this thing. Service. This thing is old. Oh, they even he's putting thing in here. It's probably this fucker.
Hey Steve,
Yeah.
my son-in-law is...
I'm gonna unplug it for now. It's this water softener. When it goes to its back flush, middle of the night, I put it on bypass. I put both of them on bypass. And I unplugged them. They were both plugged in. Up there, I unplugged them. I talked to the guy about it. We're gonna give it a couple of days and see if the noise goes away. I'm thinking it's this. He's gonna need a new water softener. When it goes through the back flush, it's doing its funky chicken. It's definitely not that check valve, because I was going right through there with it. Time will tell.